What's up, guys? We've done scrambled eggs, scrambled pancakes, so now it's time to do some scrambled French toast pancakes, leftover bread breakfast, pull-aparts, whatever name you choose. The end result is delicious. So let's jump right into it. Question of the day. It's Sunday morning. You're going to a diner. What are you choosing? French toast or pancakes? Drop it below. The first thing you'll need to do is to choose your bread. Use whatever bread fits your macros. This could be a regular bread, thick cut one like I'm using today, low carb or calorie, high protein, and so on. I've used them all and they all work great. Start by cutting your choice bread up into small pieces like this. Once that's done, take it to a mixing bowl. Add into it half a cup of Greek yogurt, half a cup of milk, and 1 scoop of a good tasting protein powder. Mix those together until smooth. Continue by adding in 2 large whole eggs, 2 tablespoons of a sugar-free or light syrup, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Make sure to mix and match your flavors. For example, vanilla Greek yogurt with vanilla protein powder. I'll put some of my favorite variations along with metric conversions and the full calorie breakdowns on the website, which is always linked up here or below in the description. Mix all of those ingredients together. From here, dump in your bread pieces and move them around a bit so everything soaks up. Take out a stovetop pan or griddle, turn your burner on medium heat, and add in some butter or oil. Once it heats up, take some of your pieces and throw them onto your pan or griddle like this. You can make these whatever size you want. Let each side cook for around 2 to 3 minutes, or until they look like this. One of the benefits of making your French toast this way is that your pieces will absorb more of the mix, giving you even better macros and protein per slice. A couple tips for this one. Number 1, if you want them sweeter, mix in a little sweetener. And 2, you can make your mix the night before so it's ready to go in the morning. The winner of our last testing your guesstimating was bang! Congrats to you. For this week's testing your guesstimating, we're gonna go with one of our French toast pancakes. Guess how much you think it weighs in grams in the comments below. The first one closest to it will win a shirt or shaker. 1 guess per person. With that said, thank you for watching. Hit that thumbs up button for more breakfast ideas. Subscribe if you haven't already so you never miss a recipe. Don't forget to check out theproteinchef.co for all your healthy recipe needs. And of course, stay healthy. You can make these whatever size you want. Let each side cook